In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Call of Duty Mobile on your PC or your laptop. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more gaming guides just like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser on your laptop or PC. In my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome. It doesn't really matter what you use though. Just go ahead and search for Game Loop just like so and hit enter. From here, go ahead and select the first option here, which is going to take you to gameloop.com. What you're going to want to go ahead and do from this point is hit this download option all the way up in the top right, and it'll begin downloading GameLoop. From here, click on the installer that just downloads and hit yes, and then hit install, and it's going to begin downloading the actual runner. Once it does finish for you, go ahead and hit start just like so, and it's going to open up the page for you, which should look something like this. And what you're going to want to do once you get on this page is actually in this little search icon up here, go ahead and search for Call of Duty Mobile and then select Call of Duty Mobile right here. It's going to load for a second, and go ahead and select the install button next to Call of Duty Mobile just like so. This is going to begin downloading Call of Duty Mobile up in this top right corner. Now, since this is a bigger app, it might take a little bit of time to download, so keep that in mind. But depending on your internet download speed, it might not take as long as it will for other people. Once it does finish installing, go ahead and go into your library. You'll see the game within here. Hit play and it'll begin loading you in. But just like that, the game is going to load on your PC. You'll be guided through the controls, and now you'll be able to play COD Mobile here on your computer with a bigger screen and better controls overall. If this tutorial did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.